Hey community, this is Dr. Hugh coming at you, and starting January of 2023, I have some exciting news. I'm going to be doing a 4-week challenge. Yep, a 4-week challenge to decrease your inflammation. 4 weeks, as you know, inflammation is the cornerstone of every disease known to mankind, but this is actually a symptom. So what we're going over in the 4 weeks, and you can see the curriculum down below, is what causes inflammation in your body. So we're going to have week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. And each week we're going to be building on the topics to give you the fundamental basic principles that you need to know and understand to decrease your inflammation in your body. Now, after working with clients for 24 years plus, I know specifically that there are things that you need to apply in your life that will decrease your inflammation if you're not doing them. So it's a 4-week course. All the calls will be recorded. Down below you can sign up. It's $47 and that includes all 4 weeks. Now if you want to attend but you can't make the specific time, it will be recorded and I will email the recording out. When you schedule down below, it's going to change the time zone. Now it's scheduled at 6 p.m. Central Time. When you go down there and schedule, you're going to see your time zone, change your time zone, and then it's going to change the time when the actual workshop is. Now when you register before the Zoom call takes place, we'll send out emails and reminder calls, and this is going to be a very, very powerful 4 weeks. This is going to be my clinical gems that I've accumulated over 24 years, very precise on what you need to do to decrease your inflammation. There's no need for you to suffer. It's anyone in the whole world can attend this. Register down below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I look forward to you being on the Zoom calls, and I look forward to you getting better and having a better 2023. Take care. Bye-bye.